Our solar system is a busy place, teeming with a myriad of celestial bodies, each following its own unique path. Among these, countless asteroids are zipping around, creating a cosmic dance that has been ongoing for billions of years. Most of these space rocks are harmless, drifting quietly through the vast expanse of space without causing any trouble. They are too small to cause any significant damage, often burning up harmlessly if they enter a planet's atmosphere. But every once in a while we find one that gets our attention, a larger asteroid that could pose a potential threat. Asteroid 2024 YR4 is one of those asteroids, a significant space rock that has captured the interest of astronomers worldwide. 2024 YR4 was discovered recently, adding to the ever-growing list of near-Earth objects that we keep a close eye on. Its discovery is a reminder that space is full of surprises, with new objects being found all the time. This particular asteroid is big enough to cause serious damage if it were to collide with Earth, a sobering thought for scientists. Even more intriguing, there's a chance it might hit the Moon instead, which would be a significant event in its own right. This possibility has sparked a lot of interest and discussion among scientists and the public alike, highlighting our fascination with space. The possibility of an impact, however small, is a stark reminder of our place in the cosmos and the potential dangers that lurk in space. We're not isolated on Earth. We are part of a vast, interconnected solar system where events beyond our atmosphere can have direct consequences for us. We are part of a dynamic system where events beyond our atmosphere can directly affect us, emphasizing the importance of space research. The story of 2024 YR4 is just beginning, but it underscores the importance of understanding these celestial wanderers and the ongoing research to keep our planet safe. Asteroid 2024 YR4 is estimated to be between 100 and 200 feet wide. That's about the size of a Boeing 747 airplane. It's hurtling through space at a speed of 25,000 miles per hour. To put that into perspective, that's over 30 times the speed of sound. Imagine a rock as big as a football field flying through space faster than anything we've ever built. That's 2024 YR4. The energy it carries is immense. If it were to hit Earth, the impact would be devastating. But size and speed are only part of the story. The asteroid's trajectory, its path through space, is what determines whether it poses a real threat. And that's where things get really interesting. Dr. David Rankin, a leading asteroid tracker, has been studying 2024 YR4's orbit. He's run complex simulations using data from telescopes around the world. His findings are both fascinating and a bit unsettling. There's a small but real chance that 2024 YR4 could collide with Earth. Dr. Rankin estimates the probability of an Earth impact to be about 1 in 10,000. While that's a low probability, it's not zero. It's a sobering reminder that we live in a cosmic shooting gallery. But here's the twist. Dr. Rankin's calculations also show a slightly higher probability, about 1 in 5,000, that 2024 YR4 could hit the Moon. This possibility adds another layer of complexity to the story. Let's imagine for a moment that 2024 YR4 does hit Earth. What would happen? The impact would release an enormous amount of energy, equivalent to thousands of atomic bombs detonating simultaneously. It would create a massive crater, miles wide and hundreds of feet deep. The immediate blast zone would be obliterated. But the devastation wouldn't stop there. Shock waves would ripple out from the impact site, causing widespread earthquakes and tsunamis. The dust and debris launched into the atmosphere would block out the sun, plunging the planet into darkness. The long-term effects would be even more severe. The impact would trigger global climate change, potentially leading to mass extinctions. It's a grim scenario, a stark reminder of the destructive power of these celestial wanderers. Section 5. Lunar Impact Scenario. Now, let's consider the other possibility, 2024 YR4 hitting the Moon. This scenario, while not as immediately catastrophic as an Earth impact, would still be a significant event with far-reaching consequences. The impact would create a new crater on the lunar surface, visible from Earth with even small telescopes. This new crater would be a stark reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our solar system. The impact would create a new crater on the lunar surface, visible from Earth with even small telescopes. Amateur astronomers and professionals alike would be able to observe this new feature, adding a new chapter to lunar studies. But the effects wouldn't be limited to the Moon. The force of the impact would send a shower of lunar debris hurtling towards Earth, creating a spectacular but potentially dangerous meteor shower. The impact would send a shower of lunar debris hurtling towards Earth. While most of it would burn up in our atmosphere, creating a dazzling display in the night sky, some larger pieces could survive and pose a threat to satellites and even life on the ground. While most of it would burn up in our atmosphere, some larger pieces could survive and pose a threat to satellites and even life on the ground. The potential damage to our satellite infrastructure could disrupt communications, weather forecasting, and even navigation systems. The impact would also disrupt the delicate gravitational balance between the Earth and the Moon. This disruption could have subtle but long-term effects on Earth's tides and even its rotation, altering the natural rhythms we often take for granted. This could have subtle but long-term effects on Earth's tides and even its rotation. The gravitational interplay between the Earth and the Moon is crucial for maintaining the stability of our planet's environment. While not as immediately catastrophic as an Earth impact, a lunar impact would still have significant consequences. It would serve as a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of celestial bodies and the potential for cosmic events to influence life on Earth. Section 6. Planetary defense. The good news is that we're not defenseless. Space agencies like NASA have been developing planetary defense strategies for years. One such mission, the Double Asteroid Redirection Test, or DART, successfully demonstrated our ability to deflect an asteroid's trajectory. The DART mission involved crashing a spacecraft into a small asteroid called Dimorphos. The impact successfully altered Dimorphos's orbit, proving that we have the technology to nudge asteroids off a collision course with Earth. While DART was a test mission, it represents a significant step forward in planetary defense. It shows that we're not just sitting ducks, waiting for an asteroid to hit us. We're actively developing the tools and techniques to protect our planet. Section 7. Eyes on the skies. While the DART mission was a success, our work is far from over. Continued monitoring and new observations are crucial to refining 2024 YR4's trajectory and impact probabilities. The James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, the most powerful telescope ever built, will play a vital role in this effort. JWST's advanced sensors will allow us to study 2024 YR4 in unprecedented detail. We'll be able to determine its precise size, shape, composition, and rotation. This information will be crucial for refining our impact probabilities and developing effective mitigation strategies. The more we know about 2024 YR4, the better prepared we'll be to deal with it. Continued monitoring and new observations are our best defense against these celestial wanderers. Section 8. The future of 2024 YR4. As of today, the estimated probabilities of 2024 YR4 hitting Earth or the Moon remain low. This is based on extensive calculations and simulations conducted by astronomers and scientists around the world. However, these are just estimates based on our current understanding of the asteroid's trajectory. The universe is full of variables, and even a small change in the asteroid's path could alter its course significantly. New observations and more data could change these probabilities significantly. Each new piece of information helps us refine our models and predictions, making them more accurate. That's why continued monitoring is so important. Constant vigilance allows us to detect any changes in the asteroid's trajectory early, giving us more time to respond if necessary. We need to keep a close eye on 2024 YR4 and refine our understanding of its orbit. This involves using advanced telescopes and radar systems to track its movement with high precision. If the probability of an impact increases, we may need to consider more active mitigation strategies like launching a DART-like mission to deflect the asteroid. Such missions require international collaboration and cutting-edge technology. The story of 2024 YR4 is far from over. It serves as a constant reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our solar system. It's a reminder that we live in a dynamic solar system where even small objects can pose significant threats. These threats, while daunting, also push us to advance our scientific and technological capabilities. But it's also a testament to human ingenuity and our determination to protect our planet from cosmic hazards. Through innovation, collaboration, and relentless effort, we strive to safeguard Earth for future generations. Section 9. Conclusion. The uncertain future. Asteroid 2024 YR4 serves as a stark reminder of the vastness and power of the cosmos. It highlights the importance of space exploration, not just for the sake of discovery, but for the safety and survival of our species. While the probability of an impact remains low, the potential consequences are too great to ignore. We must continue to invest in planetary defense, developing the technology and expertise needed to protect our planet from these celestial threats. The future of 2024 YR4, and indeed our own, depends on our vigilance, our ingenuity, and our unwavering commitment to understanding and safeguarding our place in the cosmos.